In this tutorial, we will continue with sheet metal modeling and we will know about another command, that is MITER flange. So what is the difference between edge flange and MITER flange? The difference lies in the direction of the flange. In edge flange, we used to give the direction normal to the base or with a reference to the normal to the base. While in a MITER flange, we can also give direction in parallel direction to the base. So first we will draw a base. Go to this base flange, take a top plane, and as we do, draw a center rectangle, and dimension of the center rectangle are, this is 100, and suppose this value I take 50, and OK. Then as a sketch, height give 1 and OK. And after that, go to this MITER flange. Select this MITER flange, and it is highlighting that either select a plane or planar face or edge to which sketch the feature cross section, or select an existing sketch. So first we will have to create this sketch. So I cancel it from here, and then I go to plane. So we will have to go to features and go to plane. Select a plane and draw a datum plane with respect to this face. Select this face, and the plane should be coincident, and OK. Now we can expand this plane so that we can get a better view like this. So this is a datum plane. So we will have to go to sketch now, and from this sketch select this plane 1, and we can rotate it to a normal view. On this plane, draw some sketch. Suppose I draw some series of lines. Draw the line from this point. Okay, line like this. Okay, we have to do it again. Draw the line from this point. This point, suppose I take the vertical line, then a horizontal line, vertical line, like this. Just for the profile, we have to draw some lines. Okay, this line we don't need. Select this line and press delete. Now we can add some dimension to this line. We can take some proper dimension. So this is 10 and this is 5, or we can add more dimension, all this, and click OK. Then go to exit sketch. After that, we have to go to sheet metal, and there's MITER flange. So from there we have to select an existing sketch. Go to this feature manager tree and select the sketch, and we can see it is highlighting the preview of the profile. I zoom in on this profile, and there are some parameters to define this profile. If you want default radius, okay, we can take default radius. Then there is a rift gap, there is start condition and end condition, and there is flange position. This flange position material inside or material outside, and then bend outside. If you want to insert an offset value, we can insert this value from the start point and this end point, and click OK. This way we add this type of MITER flange.